How to download and install 7-zip on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download and install 7-zip on your Windows. Now, head over to any browser that you normally use and search for 7-zip download. Now here, you'll get the link on the top of your screen. Click on it. And here you can see various versions of 7-zip file. Now you can download as per your Windows or your requirement. Now in my case, since I'm using Windows 11, it's a 64-bit Windows, I'll download the first one. Now start download, and it has already been downloaded. Now simply open it and it will start to install. Now click on install and you can see that my destination folder is C program files 7-zip. Now the installation is complete. I can simply click on close. Now you can close your tab. Here you can see recently added 7-zip file manager. Now if you open it, it will simply open it. So this way you can download and install 7-zip on your Windows. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.